Good day to everybody. My name is Aman Molimani and welcome to my channel Safety First. So let's begin the video. Today I'll be unboxing a product that I had ordered day before yesterday on Myntra. It's called Wings Phantom. It is a truly wireless earphone which is pretty new, I see on the website. Let's talk about it later. I've ordered it from Myntra, and honestly, hats off here. I had ordered it 2 days ago, and I've already had the package. This being my first, oh my god, that I should have thought this through. This is a classic Tom and Jerry movie happening right now. I told it. Yeah, there we go. So basically, the original price of the product comes out to be at 4,999 on the website Wings, and the reduced price over there is 1,999. So as we go, I ordered it from Myntra, as I told you, for $9.99. This is the sale was going on, and this is how it looks like. The packaging looks pretty good. Yeah, this is the top. They have labeled it ulta. Anyways, the label says one size black Wings Phantom, and you got the name of the brand here on the side. My god, I can't tell which is right. This, because if this is top, you go back and this is still top. Yeah, that's right. So we go, colors black. The MRP on the boxing says 4,999, and product is wireless Bluetooth headset. That's all. Time to flaunt it. Wings lifestyle. That's all. Only one number. Yeah, so these are some of the features mentioned. Dedicated gaming mode, less than 65 milliseconds long is the latency period, which is the time it takes to receive the sound from the device it is connected to. That is pretty good. That's actually one of the leading specifications in the market, although there are gaming headsets that come up to 40 milliseconds. Anyways, the dynamic driver is 12 millimeter. I believe it's made out of titanium, or these are titanium drivers, which are these are titanium coated drivers designed to create HD bass sound effects that hit louder with every shot. Then we have MEMS microphones. That it features a 3-hole MEMS mic technology for crystal clear calls and in-game chat voice. It also comes with IPX5 sweat and water resistance rating. That means you can go on long jogs, not to swim, but exercise without being worried about, destroying your headsets. It totally has 20 hours of playtime and full touch controls. Along with this, it also has a dedicated gaming mode that offers lowest ever latency of 65 milliseconds for lag-free gaming experience. It also has an LED power level indicator. The Phantom case features LED lights that indicate the battery status of the case. So here we go. Let's unbox it now. Yeah. Throwing the box away. Here are the headsets. I hope you can see them. First impression, they look damn clean, neat. There's some branding on the side, and I said these are truly earphones, truly wireless earphones. These come with the the rubber things that end with it. Anyways, let's bring the box out of there. It looks like a mini cobra. Right, it came and hit you. See, You see it, or is it just me? Just going, and then it saw you, and then poof, in your eyes. Opening the. That's pretty childish, I know. Oh, that's crazy. Did you guys see that? I mean, wow. Wait, let's do that again. Yeah, here it comes. My god. Anyways, these look super cool. Behind the case we have the number of the particular product, ROHS. It has got a type C charging cable slot. There's a Wings branding on top with a little bit of, you can see the shadows, gives that great structure to it. And again there are two LED indicators that look super cool. My god, look at that. The response of the magnetic, this thing is amazing. Going on, these are the sets I've received. As they said, there are 3 microphones on each, I mean probably just 3 holes for a single microphone on each side, but I believe it also has stereo microphones so that you can differentiate between the left and the right horizons of the sound, origins of the sound. So yeah, this is it. Let me know how the video was. Let's put it inside. Wait, let's do it together. I hope I'm doing this right. Oh, it just went. Oh, super cool. You saw that? My god, look at that. Why is just this one blinking, not this? Is it like a master slave something? Let me know in the comments. Alright, I hope this is not wrong. Wait, is this right? Wait a minute. No, there's nothing written on top of this to mention if it is right or left. Anyways, let's let them charge. Oh, you saw that delay? Oh, I think it was discharged or something. Nice. Okay guys, see you in hell.